Well, my lawnmower's broken and my grass is way too high. I can't see the fence line, and it's reaching for the sky. The neighbors all are laughing as they pass on by. I need to fix this mess before I cry. I've tried to pull the starter, even turn the key, but it only made a sound like a rusty old tractor that's been sitting on the ground. So I called up old John, he's the best in this town. 2054-279-020, he'll never let you down. Oh, John's the man with the magic touch. When your mower's acting up and you're in a rush, he can fix it up quick, no need to fuss. Just ask for John. 2054-279-020.